If your customers are still waiting in a queue, you really need to meet QRQ. QRQ is a contactless single queue solution that lets your customers wait wherever they want till their turn arrives. They just have to scan the QR code, generate an e-ticket informing how many people are associated to it. And that's it. They will get notified when their turn arrives. QRQ is very gainful for you. As a store owner, you will no longer have physical waiting lines. You will keep track of the number of people inside your store. No hardware and no app installation are needed. It's very simple and quick to set up. Go to qr-q.com, sign up, create your store, choose a subscription plan, and you are ready to start using QRQ. What are you waiting for? Improve your customer experience now.